now po, Miami flight is canceled due to hurricane.
Nawawa, nag-iiyakan na. Ano na?
Aba! Ninan! Ninan! Amin!
Ano, lagyan ko ba ng music?
Guys! Picture!
Tama.
Wala nga rin natin pala.
Ikilo mo na, kilo mo. Try mo ikilo. Oo, dyan na. Ipapasok yan.
So guys, ikikilo ko muna siya dito para ma-check natin. Actually, nakilo ko na siya dun sa bahay pero double check natin dito. So guys, kailangan muna natin mag-fill up ng bag tag for check-in luggage. So, lalagay na tayo ng bag tag.
Mga vape and electronic cigarettes sir, wala naman.
Wala po.
Hagari na lang natin sir, lagay ko na.
Actually, first time ko nga lang talaga eh.
Gusto mo lang window seat sir or
Pwedeng window.
para may pang mic? Window seat. Maganda yung second.
Perfect doon.
Maybe sa window.
Kaso nga lang, pag na-CCR, no?
Ayun lang. Pero okay lang naman.
Ilang tao ang lalaktawan ko? Ilang seat ba yun?
3-seaters kita lagay sir. Thank you for waiting, Mr. Rolly Refuso. Boarding time sir for Manila Doha is at 5:35, releasing gate 115. Window seat for Manila Doha as well as your flight going to Miami. 2 bags all the way to Miami. Thank you, sir. Flight love side na lang tayo sir, immigration. Oh,
Ay, sorry.
immigration na. Okay lang.
Yan, nanira pa ako. Immigration na ako, no? Thank you so much. Hi guys. We're done. Actually, napaka-smooth. Unit to spoken dollar lang, guys. Magsalita lang kayo ng speaking dollar. There's the immigration. Saan yung immigration dito, guys? Ito na sa akin yung ticket ko. Hawak ko na siya. So, yan na. Foreign exchange. Immigration. I think this is the immigration. Sir, immigration. Immigration?
Sa kabila po, immigration.
Thank you. Okay guys. Ano to? POB. Yung POB ko ngayon guys, nasa ano na, airport. Mahilig ako mag POB. So ngayon, ang POB ko na ngayon is literal nandito na sa airport. So, mag-off na ako ng cellphone. Bye. Immigration na ako guys. Immigration. Ayan, immigration na guys. Off na ako cellphone. Okay guys, check natin dito sa board na to kung anong board ba tayo. Baka chessboard or anything. Ito yung board. Dito makikita kung ano. So tayo ay QR933. So hanapin natin dito ang QR933. Doha. Eh yun, QR933 115. Ayan, nakita nyo guys. So balo, doon tayo pupunta. 18 pa siya, 18. So matagal pa. Magpapalit muna ako. Mag-duty free muna kaya. No? So guys, finally nakita ko na rin. QR933 going to Doha. Gate 115. This is the exact place where so mamaya pa dito. Okay guys, bali nagutom na talaga ako. Time check, it's already 3:10. I only have 3 hours pa. So kumain muna ako dito sa Hotel Rogers. Let's go. So, bali nagpapalitan tayo ng dollar para mamaya pagdating natin sa Miami, tuloy-tuloy na. Pero actually, gusto ko rin makatry makapagpapalit sa sayang. Pero eto na, dito na tayo. Dito na lang tayo magpapalit.
4,000, ito yung dito siya in dollars, $86, and 12 pesos.
By customers traveling with infants and young children. Birds will be boarded by zone, starting
Okay.
dati yung passport kita na yan.
So guys, ito siya. It's not walking on the aisle or walking. Guys, yun. Entry. Go.
Please. Hello, ma'am. Welcome aboard. Sunday. Morning, sir.
Hello, welcome on board. 41A, the next galley, so my colleague can help you.
Bye. What's your price?
41. Hi. 41A.
41A, go straight ahead, sir. Just follow the number from here.
Thank you. Guys. 41 p.m. I don't know where's the 41 a.m.
41 people, just go straight for your window side.
Thank you so much.
In the overhead storage compartment or under the seat in front of you. Customer seated at emergency exit and front row seat should keep the area clear of all items. Please switch electronic devices and mobile.
Pag-ibring support the fight. What's this? Ilaw.
Cabin crew commence final secure.
Thank you. Salamat. Alright guys, we're totally here at Doha. So my next step is I need to find my QR781. Hindi na ako makapunta ng Seaburns Lodge. Okay, there you go.
I'm checking it.
Transfer. Let's see. So guys, so bali nandito na ako sa Doha. Then pagkalabas guys, may nakaabang na crew going to Miami.
Miami flight po, it's canceled po, and then we're still looking for other option po para ma-accommodate po kayo for the next flight. But for now po, Miami flight is canceled due to hurricane.
But we'll get the best option for you.
And right now, just stay with us here. And then later on, we will, what's the best option for you.